How to optimize your Maps listing, Maps ranking, and ranking your Google My Business, also called Google Business Profile, for a solar installation company. The next best way to be on page 1 of a search engine for a solar installation company is with your Google Business Profile. The Maps listing, associated with your Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile, is one of the best ways to be seen on page 1 of a search engine. This is one of the most advantageous items you can optimize. Why is Google Maps listing important? 93% of consumers use Google Maps to find a business. That's nearly everybody. If everybody is looking for your service online, isn't it time to polish up your online presence? You can reign king and queen, and ride the popularity wave that Google so kindly awards you, for a long time, when you can polish up your online presence with your Google Maps listing, until someone smarter comes along, and unseats you. What's even better is the fact that 45% of appointments are coming from the map listing, your Google Business Profile. If nearly half your appointments come from this one item, you must take a closer look at how to optimize your Google My Business, the Google Business Profile. In order to help business owners rank and maximize exposure to their target audience, we optimize the listings for our clients in the US and abroad to make them show up in the top 3 and shine, making it easy for anyone to find them and to find them first. Setting up your Google Business Profile is easy. You must take care of it or have someone do it for you. Gaining visibility and rising above all that noise can be tough for any business. Having a stellar presence on Google My Business can now be much easier for you. 93% of consumers use Google Maps when searching for a business. So, if you're not using Google Maps for marketing your services, you're missing out big time. Besides, you pay $0 for advertising to be seen on page 1 through your Google Maps listing. So, start working on your Google Business Profile, making sure you complete each section properly. If you require help, reach out. The hard part is getting it to rank. There are many aspects to this. Your Maps listing, which is a part of your Google My Business or Google Business Profile, must be addressed and taken care of as one of your first few items while setting up your business, as it has immense value. It requires accurate and correct information. If you find it difficult, reach out for us or someone well versed in ranking you to help you out. What you require is business name, location, address, phone number, website, hours open, and any photos. Having a more complete profile will help you get 7 times more clicks. And when we show you how to convert these clicks into paying customers, then you'll have it made. Your map listing becomes an important attractant to your business because 1. It is very prominent and easy to see, making the viewer naturally gravitate to it. 2. 82% of consumers read online reviews for local businesses, and Google Business Profile has been the main platform for hosting your reviews. Check videos on the subject at reviewisrevenue.com. 3. 87% of customers used Google to decide on a business in 2022. 4. 86% of customers use Google Maps to locate a business nearby. This makes it clear why investing in GMB is important. If you want your business to stand out from the competition, having an optimized presence on Google becomes a necessity. On average, as a local business, you receive nearly 1,260 views a month. You can learn how to convert most of them into paying clients, as currently you are most likely losing 97% of them, which is the average leak that needs to be fixed. There is also another factor you might not have known about. It is the SNR ranking. When professionally done, this optimization allows you to be seen in up to 49 more locations rather than just your little 1 square mile of a location. Imagine that! We show you during a consultation how to do this, for reaping huge revenue from heightened exposure to the community you serve, and the exact audience you wish to be more visible to. See below the before and after results of the Near Me optimization. This is a must-have if you are considering growing. Final thoughts on Google My Business, now Google Business Profile. 1. Get your GMB done. 2. Or have someone do it for you, for an affordable fee. 3. Seek help for optimization, which will not only put you on top. 4. But also get you up to 49 times better visibility. 5. Make plans to improve your online reviews. See videos for more information on increasing online reviews at reviewisrevenue.com, because what's the use of doing everything you can to bring them to your site, if they leave immediately because they don't quite like what they see, which is your reviews or lack thereof. Request us to prepare your online presence report, offered free of charge for a limited time. Next, we will go over organic content and the power of SEO. In upcoming segments, which can be in the form of articles, blogs, or content on your website. So if you haven't started yet, go ahead and connect on LinkedIn and see if this is a good fit for you. Subscribe to the playlist and check lsaforusa.com to learn more about local service ads. Share the information with friends. They will appreciate you sharing your knowledge with them. Ask for help if you need to. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar, signing off. Thank you for watching.